In today's video, I'm going to teach you which is better, Taskade versus ClickUp. By the end, you'll understand how each platform feels to use, what they're best at, and which one fits your workflow. We'll walk through opening both tools, exploring their core areas, and then I'll help you make a clear, confident choice based on what you actually need. Let's start by getting both platforms open. First, head to Taskade.com and log in. As soon as you're in, you'll land in a clean workspace built around lists, notes, and AI tools. Taskade is designed to feel lightweight and intuitive, so there's almost no setup before you can start typing ideas, writing notes, or building quick task outlines with AI. Think of it as a flexible canvas that's smart, fast, and easy to shape to whatever you're working on. Next, open app.clickup.com and log into your workspace dashboard. Right away, you'll notice a broader structure. ClickUp is built for full project management and team execution, which means it gives you a lot more controls for planning, tracking, and reporting across teams and timelines. If your work involves multiple people, deadlines, and structured processes, this layout will feel powerful and scalable. Now, let's look a little closer at Taskade. In the left sidebar, click into a workspace or project to bring your current work front and center. The main editor is where Taskade shines. It's fast to capture notes, outline plans, or brainstorm ideas. Below the text box, you'll see options that guide AI to generate what you need. Click Workflows if you want a daily plan or a weekly report. If you're building something more structured, click Projects for things like a task board or a project plan, and use dashboards to shape CRM-like views or track business KPIs. These aren't separate apps. They're AI-powered templates and structures that fill in the editor so you can move quickly. When you pick an option like a daily plan or a task board, a command is automatically inserted into the text box. It's a ready-to-run instruction. If it looks good, click the up arrow to send it, and let Taskade draft the layout or content for you. Keep in mind that this feature requires a paid plan, so if you're on a free plan, you may not see full functionality here. In the top right, you'll notice your AI credits and an AI button for prompts. That button is your shortcut to generate content, brainstorm, or reformat notes without leaving the editor. In practice, Taskade is at its best when you want something simple and fast. If you're jotting ideas, organizing thoughts, or relying on quick AI workflows to spin up outlines, plans, or summaries, it's refreshingly frictionless. You won't spend time configuring complex fields or views. You just open, type, and go, with AI helping you fill in the blanks. Now let's switch to ClickUp. In the left sidebar, click a space to choose the broader area your work lives in. Then click a list to zoom into a specific set of tasks. At the top right, click New Task to create the first building block of your project. Inside a task, assign it to a teammate, add a due date, and set its status. These three fields help tasks move predictably through your process from start to finish. At the top, you can change how you're looking at your work. Click List for a clean, spreadsheet-like view with rows of tasks and columns for key details. Clickboard if you prefer Kanban cards. You can drag between stages, like To Do, In Progress, and Done. Click Gantt if you want a timeline with dependencies, which is especially helpful for planning across weeks or months. And click Calendar to see exactly what's scheduled on each day. This is where ClickUp's strength really shows. Multiple views of the same data, so your team can plan, track, and report in a way that matches how they work. Because ClickUp is built for full project management, it's great at standardizing how work gets done across teams. Assignments and deadlines keep responsibilities clear. Statuses and views keep progress transparent. As your projects grow, you can keep layering in structure without losing track of the big picture. If you need to scale a team workflow, ClickUp is designed to handle that complexity. So, which should you choose? Pick Taskade if you want something simple and fast, especially if your work revolves around notes, brainstorming, and AI-powered workflows. If you don't need complex project tracking or multi-step reporting, Taskade gets you from idea to action with almost no setup. It's great for individuals or small teams who want speed and clarity without a learning curve. Choose ClickUp if you need deadlines, assignments, and reporting to keep teams on track. If you rely on multiple project views like List, Board, Gantt, and Calendar, and you want scalable workflows that support an all-in-one business system, ClickUp is the better fit. It's built to handle structured collaboration and long-term planning across many moving parts. Both tools are excellent, but they serve different needs. Taskade is ideal when simplicity and AI assistance are your priorities. ClickUp is best when structure, coordination, and visibility across projects matter most. Think about what you do every day. If it's capturing ideas and turning them into quick actions, go with Taskade. If it's coordinating people, deadlines, and deliverables across projects, go with ClickUp. Let me know in the comments what you think of the video and if there's anything we can do to improve it. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. It really helps support the channel.